Hey everyone, so welcome to this video, and on this video I want to talk about what exactly is self-love. And so self-love it's not actually about changing you. It's not about changing any part of you. It's not about becoming someone different or anything like that. It is actually about embracing yourself as you are in this moment. So it's about not changing any part of you, but embracing those parts of you that you may not like. It's a little bit like if you're wanting to love your body more, loving it as a whole and embracing the parts that you don't particularly like, okay? And because nothing's perfect. You're not perfect. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect, and we shouldn't be striving to be perfect because that's not what life's about. It's about embracing. So the self-love is about, embracing all of you. If you don't like your anger, when you're angry, when you're frustrated, when you're sad, a lot of the time I find a lot of us feel like we have to walk around being happy all the time, right? And that's just not how we work. We are a human. We have emotions, okay? But we haven't been taught to feel. We haven't been taught to embrace ourselves, right? Because, we tend to, as we're growing up, get the messages that some parts of us are okay and some parts of us aren't, all right? And so then we kind of try and suppress these different parts and push them away. And that's just not helping us. That's actually stopping the flow of energy in our body, can make us very sick in our body to be suppressing who we are all the time and trying to be, everything to everyone, being a real people pleaser. Because, being a people pleaser and happy all the time is a fawn response. And that's very stressful to have to be in that place all the time just to survive life. And so basically what I believe self-love is embracing all of you. That's how simple it really is. I'm not saying it's easy though, because a lot of us have been taught, like I said, to reject ourselves, reject how we feel, what we think, what we believe. We've been taught to follow the crowd, shut your mouth, don't stand out. And, there's another reason why standing out would be quite stressful for your system as well, is because back in, tribal days, you had to fit into the tribe, because if you stood out and stood up for yourself or, talked out of turn or whatever, you could be rejected from the tribe. And then what do you think would happen if you were rejected from the tribe? You'd be on your own. Then what happens? Your chances of death increase. So, there's a part of your limbic system, your survival system, where it's like, do not speak up, do not be yourself, because it is dangerous. Just follow the crowd, be in the group and shush, right? But the thing is, we live in different times now. And so we've got to train ourselves that, we're not in that time anymore. And we might have felt in that sort of time as well when we were children, like in our own family unit. A lot of us weren't accepted for who we were and how we felt. And we got messages that this is okay and that's not okay, right? And so then we sort of, learn to fit in. Same with when we go to school, fit in with the crowd, right? Not stand out and be our own person, okay? And so, so the self-love journey is about embracing all of you, whatever it is, happy, sad, joy, bliss, angry, whatever you are, whatever you think, whatever you feel, start to accept that a little bit more, and then you will start to love yourself more. Start to treat yourself like you would a young child. If a young child just came into the world in your care, how would you treat it? You would accept it, you would love it, you would allow it. So why don't you do the same with yourself if you're not doing the same with yourself? Let me know in the comments why. Are you treating yourself, right? Let me know in the comments as well. Are you treating yourself this way? Really tune in and become aware. How are you actually treating yourself in every day? That's what I really want to know. Because when you can start to bring that to your awareness of how you're actually treating yourself, you can then start to treat yourself a little bit different and start to embrace yourself more and stop gaslighting yourself, right? Saying, no, you shouldn't feel this way and you shouldn't be that. Shush, 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 shush. Be quiet, suppress, suppress, suppress. All right? There's many different ways you can start to love yourself, and, you know, that's one of them. Start to treat yourself like you would either a best friend or a young child or something like that. How would you treat them? Let me know in the comments as well. How would you treat them? I want to know. And are you treating yourself that way? Or how are you treating yourself? I want you to become aware of that, and I want you to let me know in the comments as well what's happening around that. Alrighty, that's all for this video. I hope it's been helpful. Remember, embrace yourself as you are, every single part of you, and you will start to love yourself more. Alrighty, thank you. And if you like this video, make sure you like it so I know you are loving this content. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do on this channel. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.